Okay, mis niños. I'm a little sick, so let's make this quick. I'm a little sick. So we're going to talk about points, lines, and line segments in geometry. What is a point? Whoop. Well, a point is a dot. It is a dot like that. It's a dot, but this dot doesn't have any size. A key characteristic of a point in geometry is that it doesn't have any size. It's infinitely small. We still see it and we still show it, but it's infinitely small. It's super. It doesn't have a size. Okay, it's infinitely small or big. You zoom out, you zoom in. It doesn't get smaller or larger. It stays the same size because it doesn't have any size. But it has a specific location. If we were to look at this paper, if I were to draw a graph on this paper, going down, let's just say an example graph, like right here or right here. This part in this graph could be like 2, 4, probably not, but let's say it was. But it has a specific location. An example could be like a map. If you have a map and you put a dot on it, that would be a point because it has a specific location on the map that it represents. And that's what a point is. A line is a line is a line that goes in both directions for infinity and doesn't stop. It goes in both directions for infinity. See, I drew this line. It stops right here on this paper, but these arrows represent that this line is supposed to go off for infinity in that direction and for infinity in this direction. It's supposed to go off and never stop. That's what a line is. A line segment is a line that has two clear stopping points. It stops right here. It doesn't go off for infinity. It stops right here, and it stops right here. That's what these dots represent. That it stops at these locations. And that's what a line segment is. So a point is a specific location that has no size at all. It doesn't have any size. And it's represented like this by a little dot. And a line is a straight line that goes off in both directions for infinity. It doesn't stop. You can't find the end of it. And it's the ends are represented by these arrows. These arrows represent that this is a line that goes off for infinity in both directions. And a line segment is a piece of a line. It has a stop and has a stopping point on both sides. It doesn't go off for infinity. It has 2 points on both sides. It has specific locations on both sides. So it stops. It doesn't go off for infinity. It has a size length, if you will. So yeah, that's what those are, and stay in school.